Hi. Earlier today, Meta, which is formerly Facebook, released a new tool which is Segment Anything. And as the name suggests, it allows you to parse the images and identify segments of different objects present in that image. Now, unlike what Google did in response to Microsoft's investment in OpenAI, Meta stayed silent. And on the other hand, they've been preparing for quite some time. So despite the news in the media about Meta's investment into AR and VR not going that well, I think the company has been doing a fabulous job in terms of continuously building. So we'll go ahead and look at the tool. So there are some couple of samples available for you to fiddle around. We'll go ahead and upload one of the images. Again, the image that I've chosen has plenty of object. It's from the conference room of my office. And as soon as you upload the image, you'll be presented with this interface where Meta engine, they call it SAM, the segment anything model. SAM goes through and identifies the embeddings into the image, and then it helps you classify. Now, as you can see, my image has been uploaded, and I have a couple of options here. I'll go ahead and try everything to begin with. When I select everything, SAM iterates through the image and identifies every mask or every object which is present into the system based upon the model that it has been trained on. As you can see, even the ceiling, the objects in the ceiling, the piping, the chair, the furniture, the walls, LED, everything has been identified. So I can go ahead and look at the details of these. Another thing which I want to show you here, I'll go back and I'll reset the entire image and I'll select one of the items. So over here, I'll select add mask and I'll select one of the items of LED. And as soon as I select it, I want to show you that if I'm in the multi-mask mode, the system is going to show me different layers of the whole equation. So not only that portion of LED which was selected, it belongs to an LED and LED is on top of a wall which is making up the entire image. So this way you can actually select different items of the entire space. And I want to point out that in the research paper, in the blog post, in their announcement, Meta specifically talks about the use of this tool in the days to come in the AR and VR space. So over here, they talk about the use of SAM in the future into the AR classes. And as you already know, Meta is heavily invested into the AR space because the first thing in the AR space is to select an object, and once that object has been selected in its right form, you have to classify the object and you then replace it with the required objects. I'll show you something about the dataset. SAM has been trained on 11 million images and they show 50,000 of those preview images. And it's a pretty neat tool, and in the days to come, we'll see a lot of applications of these coming. It's already open source. Over here, they have provided the Git repository. You can clone it and you can start playing it with the model and start building the applications. I hope you like it, and I'll be back with another tool in the coming days. Thank you.